So the second problem, a gas is contained in 50 liter under 8 atmosphere pressure at 20 degrees centigrade. Calculate the number of moles of the gas. Again, this is also a mere substitution. So gas is contained in 50 liter and 8 atmospheric pressure at 20 degrees centigrade. First, you convert the temperature. So temperature is 293 Kelvin and the volume is 50 liter. As we have discussed in the previous problem, this 50 liter has to be converted into meter cube. So 50 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube. Pressure is 8 atmosphere. This pressure has to be converted into Pascal because Pascal is joule per meter cube. So 8 into 1.013 into 10 power 5 Pascal. So according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. So what is asked is number of moles of the gas. So I keep the n here in the numerator and I convert the equation, and the equation becomes n is equal to PV by RT. So n is equal to what is pressure? 8 into 1.013 into 10 power 5. Volume is 50 into 10 power minus 3 divided by R is 8.314 into 293. See, look here, in the second step I have included the units. It is 8 into 1.013 into 10 power 5 Pascal and 50 into 10 power minus 3 meter cube and 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole into 293 Kelvin. So if you just cancel out, the numerical substitutions can be easily done and you are getting the value 16.3547. But what is the unit you are getting? Look here, this Kelvin and this Kelvin will get cancelled and a joule is here and a mole is here. A meter cube remains here, a Pascal. So as such I write the units, I can write Pascal per joule because joule is in the denominator. Per mole will become mole and a meter cube remains. What is Pascal? Pascal is a joule per meter cube. So this joule and this per joule will get cancelled and this per mole per meter cube and this meter cube will get cancelled, and what remains is the mole. So what is asked is number of moles. So what we are getting is also mole. So this is how we have to do the problem. So the number of moles of the gas which is confined in a container of 50 liter volume at 80 atmospheric pressure and at 20 degrees centigrade is 16.3547 mole.